Hi my friends, welcome back. We're here for another science video. I'm Tracy and
I'm Vanessa.
Today we are going to make a lava lamp. Vanessa, have you ever seen a lava lamp before?
I don't think I have. What is a lava lamp?
Well, when I was growing up, it was the coolest thing to have a lava lamp. And what it was a light, and at the bottom it would heat up all of the wax and it would go floating through the different colors. And it was so beautiful. But we're not going to use electricity today.
What are we going to use then?
Well, today we're going to use vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Efferdent. Do you know what Efferdent is?
I do not.
No. It is for when you have no teeth in your mouth and you have dentures, and you can put this in and clean your teeth with that. You don't even have to brush. Well, are you ready to get started?
I would love to.
Awesome. Now, I've already dumped in some oil into the bottle. Make sure you have an adult at home to dump it in because oil, it can get very greasy. So we're gonna fill up a water bottle halfway with oil. And then we're gonna fill it up the rest of the way, or about until at least a quarter of the way up from the top with some water. You'll notice that the oil is going to float up even though we put the water on top of it. It's going to float up all the way to the top because oil is lighter than water. Did you know that?
I did not know that. See, when do we add the food coloring?
That's when we add it now. We're going to drop in just a couple drops full, and you'll see it start to sink down in little circles onto the top layer of the water. After that, we're going to use the Efferdent, and we're going to drop one of these capsules in. We can break it in half and drop it in, and you're going to start to see some magic happen.
Well, what is the magic?
But you're going to see as the Efferdent hits the bottom, it's going to break through the water. Once it's in there, it'll start to form bubbles and it'll push its way all the way through to the oil. And you'll see them start to pop at the top of the bottle.
But why are there bubbles?
It's because the Efferdent is made of a bicarbonate, and it causes a reaction once it hits the water, and it forces carbon dioxide bubbles out because the gases need to expand.
That sounds so cool.
Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed and you have fun making one. Bye for now.